Hi everyone, today we're going to review regular verbs in simple present tense. So here you have the chart. Remember that we have three different endings, AR, ER, and IR. And depending on the pronoun, we have the different endings. We have three different columns, so we are going to review again how to conjugate in case that you forgot. The step number one is to remove the ending of the verb if it's AR, ER, or IR. The step number two is find out which column you must use to conjugate. For example, in this case, we have the verb comer that we have to conjugate with nosotros. So the step number one is remove the ending. So the ending was ER, so we just have com. Step two was to find out which is the column that we have to use. In this case, we are going to use the ER. So basically, it's the second column. We have to look for the correct pronoun. In this case, we have to conjugate with nosotros. So I'm going to find here nosotros so I can see the new ending, which is the step number four. See the ending of that pronoun based on the correct column is hemos, E-M-O-S. So then we have to combine the step one with the four so we can have comemos. It's pretty simple. We just have to remove the ER and add the new ending according to the column that we use. Based on that, you have to conjugate. So you have a chart like this. The verb is vivir, which is the meaning in English to live. And then you have to conjugate. In this case, the verb ends with IR. So we are going to see the IR ending. So for yo, the ending is O. So we are going to drop the IR and instead we are going to add the new ending that is O. So it's vivo. For tu, the ending is ES. So we are going to do exactly the same. So we have vives, vive, imos, vivimos, vivís, en, viven. What is the meaning of each verb that you will have in the reading comprehension? The first one is vivir, that means to live. Second verb is asistir, to attend. Aprender, to learn. Comer, to eat. Ver, to see. Leer, to read. Escribir, to write. Recibir, to receive. You have this story that you have to complete with the correct form of the indicated verb. You will now use all the forms of the verbs. So all the verbs that you have in parentheses, I already explained the meaning. I'm gonna read the whole story and then try to translate so you know what is the meaning of the story, and then you have to conjugate the verb. For example, that you have here vivir using the correct pronoun. In this case is yo. So remember that for yo, the ending in the IR column, I'm gonna go back so you can see here for yo, for the IR, the ending was O. So in this case, it's gonna be vivo, okay? You have all the conjugation of these verbs in the notes, so you can just use them. So it's a yo, vivir en Colorado, y mi amigo Alonso, vivir en Colorado también. You have to conjugate the verb vivir, and basically he's saying, I live in Colorado, and my friend Alonso live in Colorado too. También is also, or too. Nosotros, we, asistir is attend. We attend a la misma school, to the same school. Nosotros, aprender, you have to conjugate. I'm just reading in definitive forms, but remember that you have to conjugate. Aprender is to learn, mucho, a lot. So we learn a lot. Nosotros, comer el almuerzo en la cafetería. We eat the lunch at the cafeteria or in the cafeteria. Alonso comer ensaladas y yo comer bocadillos. Alonso eats salads and I eat little snacks. Después, after de las clases, after school or after the class, vamos a un café. We go to a coffee store or cafeteria. Yo ver al mesero. I see the waiter en el café, in the café. Yo leer el menú, I read the menu y doy la orden al mesero. And I give the order to the waitress or waiter in this case, because it's masculine. El mesero escribir la orden. The waiter writes the order. Cuando, when, mis amigos regresan, my friends return a casa, home. Ellos, they, leer was read. They read los correos electrónicos, they read the emails que recibo. So, recibir, que, what I receive. Ver is to see la televisión también, watch the television also, or also watch the television. Y tú, and you, the verb is recibir muchos correos electrónicos. Do you receive a lot of emails? Y ver la televisión, watch the TV. So according to the correct pronoun, we have to conjugate. If you have any question, please raise your hand so I can help you. Have a good one.